Here I'm trying to remove the lock from the bathroom door, which is not that easy to do. As you can see, I'm struggling with those two screws trying to get them loose. It's kind of hard to get your screwdriver, unless you have one that's an angle, to get off in that corner and take it out. Okay, I managed to get one out. As you can see, it is loose, so I have to try to push the lock or get the screw up where I can use my finger. Look at that. Yeah, where I can take my finger and just twist it out with my finger. It's hard to maneuver around that handle. So I try to bring it out as far as I can. There it is. Finally, phew. Now I'm going to unscrew. Actually, I already unscrewed it. Pull that middle piece out. This is the handle that I'm going to replace. Black matte. Okay, as you can see, I'm trying to push this in. Now it's really tight. A lot of times those holes aren't big enough, so as you can see, I'm taking my screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, and try to dig out a little space in the hole, even though I have something for that, but I'm too lazy to go out and get it. So I just need to get a little more room where I can shove it in, and I got it in. Now I tighten it with my little handy screwdriver, my little Black & Decker battery operated screwdriver. Now I'm going to attempt to install the little plate on the other side of the door. I'm now going to try to fit the handles into the latch, or whatever you call that thing. I'm trying to make it fit tight, flushed against the door. Problem is, sometimes those holes aren't big enough. As you will see, that I will be trying to make a few adjustments in that hole so that the lock can fit flush against the door. It's not quite working out. As you can see, it's not close enough. So I'm going to have to take it out and attempt it again. You can see I'm determined. Okay, taking my little trusty screwdriver and dig around the hole to try to open it up a little bit more, so that part of the handle can fit flush. Not quite. I have to dig around in there a little bit more. Now I'm trying to use a screwdriver to chisel some out. And here you can see I'm getting my power drill and just run it around and just to open it up a little bit more. Hopefully it works this time. Okay, I finally got it on. So now I'm going to attach the other side. It's lined up. So now it's flushed. All I have to do is just add all the screws in. And I'm done.